Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix BakkesMod crashing on Rocket League. So usually it crashes when plugins is outdated, and to check what plugins is the problem, you just need to open up control panel. Then you need to go to a security and maintenance. Then you need to go to maintenance, and then you need to look for view a history here. Wait for a couple of seconds, then look where basically Rocket League is, and then you need to select view all problem reports, and then scroll down until you see a Rocket League. So in my case, here, click on it, and then you will see what exact plugin is causing the problem. And then what you need to do here is to go to BakkesMod, just open up. Then what you need to do here is to go to Files, BakkesMod folder. Then you need to go to Plugins and delete basically the plugins, exact plugins that causing the problem, and it should fix your problem. And then you can launch a game and should be no crashes. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like.